Hi everyone, my name is Michaela. I am from New Hampshire. Currently, I am a social worker with the Division for Children, Youth, and Families. I have been in this position for just over a year and a half. Within this position, I have gotten the opportunity to be a mentor in our office. I have mentored two people so far, and basically that means that I have been able to teach them every aspect of the job. They shadow home visits and court hearings and everything in between. And this has been a great experience for me, and I do thoroughly enjoy kind of being in that supervisory or teaching position. I have also gotten the opportunity to run Operation Santa Claus within our office with a coworker, which was also definitely, again, a great leadership opportunity. Really, I don't have a single thing that led me to social work. I knew from a young age that I wanted to help people and that I was able to easily connect with people. I explored colleges and different degrees and realized that social worker was the perfect fit for what I wanted to do. And so I continued with that. I got my associate's degree in human services, and then I got my bachelor's degree in social work from Plymouth State. I graduated in 2020, and I immediately went into this role as a child protection services worker. I have been in this program just since January. This is only my second course, so I am really looking forward to seeing what this program has to offer. Upon graduation, I am interested in medical social work, and I am also interested in individual therapy. I am hoping that as I get closer to graduation, I will have more opportunities to see different things, to really explore more of what I want to do upon graduation, if not staying in my current position. So I am looking forward to getting to know each of you.